Hello and welcome to another B&W Adventure, where today is a two-park update. We're going inside Islands of Adventure to go in All Hallows Eve Boutique to look at Halloween Horror Night merchandise and props, and then Universal Studios for another Halloween Horror Night construction update. So get that popcorn. This could be a long adventure.
'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive?
First stop, All Hallow Eve Boutique. Let's go inside. And you can do the same thing here at the All Hallows Eve Boutique and get these comic books. It's $89. You get a choice of one, and it'll be hanging up in the tribute store. So we made it in All Hallows Eve, and right off the bat, you're greeted with Dr. Oddfellow, along with Jack. This is $40. And then they have these backpacks that are $28. A Jack Chucky shirt, $30. They also have Dr. Oddfellow's Traveling Odyssey Halloween Horror Night shirt for $30. And then if you turn it around, it's like the poster. And then they have the Universal Studios Screamers and the Universal Monsters for $37. A Universal Monsters for $17. And a Camp Yeti poster. And a Blood Moon Dark Offering poster. And Dr. Oddfellow's Master of Horror, along with the Zodiac. And then up here, they have pumpkins. And they have the Dueling Dragon poster. Bride of Frankenstein hats. And backpacks. Dr. Oddfellow's Traveling Odyssey with Jack. Look at this old school mask. A Good Guy doll shirt. This is a really cool witch. It's a mask. Almost like a Chucky mask. You can make your own mold. Frankenstein and the Creature of the Black Lagoon. This is cool. Fortune teller. All nice and Halloween festive. This creature is pretty cool. The Good Guy doll. And back here, the little fortune teller. This is a real cool Dr. Odyssey Twisted Origins poster. The Halloween Horror Night shirt with the logo of Universal, Never Go Alone, for $30. Never Go Alone with the cat. Oh, look at there, it's the Grinch. Thing 1, thing 2.
In no time at all, I had built.
Well, that's it from Islands of Adventure, All Hallows Eve Boutique. Now the Universal Studios for another Halloween Horror Night construction update. So we made it over to Central Park, and now they got the Surfer Boy pizza cash register where you order. So this will be folded out and out to the curve over here, and you'll order, and then you'll go over on the other side over here and pick your pizza up. And they've added some lights, some greenery, and then they have the Yeti over here. I don't remember if they had these scratch marks over here, but then they have the little cash register over here. So again, it'll fold out right here. You'll order, you'll come over here, you'll pick it up, and the same thing over here. And here's that cash register, and you can see they added the scratch marks. Universal, man, they really go above and beyond. And you can see right in there, they got the little heat lamps in there. portable water and an oven. And over here in Central Park still, you have The Last of Us. And make sure you have your ticket ready and show your ID. Love the details. And over here, they've added the FEDRA along with the little logo down here in 718 and blocks, and the same thing over here. And over here at Vamp 69, they added this piano, but nothing really new here. And on the bikes, they added a little sticker and leather jackets along with the sticker on it. I hope they're not going to wear these jackets. And the same thing on the other side. They've added a light up here to shine on the stage, and still nothing on this prop, and still no prop over here for the Halloween Horror Night Trivia Store, but they got 12 more days. So I was on my way to San Francisco, and Marilyn Monroe is coming out. So let's check it out.
Thank you. You know you're a big deal when one person claps. Let me try that again. I'm infamous Hollywood director Manny Penny.
All right, yeah.
I love this sound of forced applause. Touches my heart. In seconds, our stars will be arriving. When they get here, I'll throw my hands in the air. I want you to scream, shout, holler. Let's practice on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
That's pretty great. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
Svetlana, there's been a choreography change. We've cut the ballet because apparently there's no point. So give me shimmy, give me shammy, give me shimmy. But honey, keep it all inside. Kiki, from you, I need to see sass. I need to see class. I need to see atmosphere. Watching there's a baby and he's very angry. Oh, Miss Marilyn, if you need anything at all, do not hesitate to ask. All right, everybody, places and action!
So they added these barrels, and this barrel over here has flowers on it. Here's another barrel. And over here at Sting Alley, they've added a food stand slash bar. You'll exit out through here. Warning, exit only. Some props over here. I like how they got this low price here, $5.49, with the sign over it, and then all the little details. And over here they added chickens, and I'm assuming this is going to be like the bar because it's real small. And it's to give you an idea, we came from over this way. And this is the front. So you'll come in here and you'll exit out to the other side here. You'll make your order right here. You'll go inside and pick your tasty beverage up, and along with your food. Not sure what they're going to serve here. But yeah, look how cool is that. All the little details. Make sure you have your ticket ready, a quarantine zone, the hours, and the gate, D2. And if you come out of New York City and come down the back way here, they have this bug here where they can just put the forklift right underneath here, pick it up, and put it in there. Look how cool that is. Oh, it's even got the Florida tag, Hawaii tag in there. But yeah, they got this bug here, and then they have this van. And the same thing. Just put your forklift right on there, pick it up, and park it over there. Nothing in here. I wonder if they're gonna have like a dead body or something. How cool is that? And then there's another one on the other side. Let's go over there and check that one out. And you see they got a little Ford over here, same kind of scenario. Put your forklift in there, pick it up, and set it right in place. So yeah, they're just sitting here parked right from New York City. So let's go to San Francisco, see if we see anything new over there. And just past San Francisco, they added this one. I feel like I've seen this one in the past, right past San Francisco. And just before you get to San Francisco, they have the Kill Your Treat Good Guy doll stand. You'll make your order over here and pay for it, and then you'll go over there and pick it up. Yeah, so you'll make your order over here, then you'll come over here and pick it up. Good Guy, Chucky, right in front of Fast and Furious. That's where Chucky's house will be. Oh look, it's a theme park pigeon. Boy, he is living large with the popcorn. Entering the harbor, they've added a bottom to the prop, the lighting towers. They've added these props with the lights and little bags, netting, and pallets. They added these wooden pallets and more props. And over here on top of that boo hole, they've added this little netting, but there's some hands in there. Trust me, there are some hands in there. So I wonder if they jump out at you. But yeah, there's some hands in there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, they got some blood on them and everything. Over here in back of the prop with the boo hole, they've added this lighting. They've added some props across from the crane. So they've added a rope over here to give you the impression that this crate snapped and fell and broke right here. And they've added props over here. I like this old school dolly along with the car jacks and stuff. They've added this van. This was in a lot of things. The Walking Dead. What else was it in? I want to say the Killer Clowns from Outer Space. And here is the other side of it with the Dr. Odyssey right on the van there. And over here you can see this is rumored to be the Peacock Bar, and you see that light moving around. So they got lights up here now, and lights over here, and lights over here, and then down here on the truss. So they're gonna have some kind of sign here, and this is rumored to be the Peacock Bar. Let's go back here. I see some lighting back here. So they've added these bar tables and lighting down here, and on these truss they've added lighting over here on the top and the bottom on all of them. Oh, and we have more truss along with a portable water station, coolers, looks like a bar, and definitely a bar. They're gonna have all lit up right there with all kind of mixed drinks. They got the signs here, and then they have another one over here with the signs, and another bar. So like I said, this is rumored to be the Peacock Bar. Here's a better view of those lights on those lighting truss as we're behind here. No lighting on this one. So I guess it's going to have some kind of signage here and the lights shining up on it. And then over here by the pier, I feel like I've seen this one before. And you see it's got the little Zodiac on it. Definitely seen this one in the past. So another food stand, maybe a bar. You'll order from over here. You'll come over here and pick it up. And over here in Men in Black, next to the restrooms, there'll be an entry right here for a house. They added this lighting truss. So just to give you an idea, the bathroom's over here. Men in Black are behind us. And yeah, you'll enter right here for a house. And then over here by Animal Actors, they've added these little pillars. These were here last year. And then they've added a new food court over here for Halloween Horror Nights, and you can see there's Animal Actors on location. And then on the other side they've added these. And over by the Animal Actors, for the first time, just to give you an idea how big this is, they're gonna have a restaurant here. So yeah, they got the genetic pattern with the signs, the cash registers, some coolers. Not sure what that is. It's all covered up in shrink wrap, along with the portable water and fryers, heat lamps, and stoves. So yeah, it's the first time they've done that over here. That's new. And just like I said, to give you an idea, it is pretty big. This used to be like all seating and stuff. They got rid of all those seatings. They've added this food truck right here, and then they've added right here the cash register, so you'll order from right here and then pick it up over here. So let's take a moment and look at this new land, DreamWorks. This is rumored to be Shrek, and you see the construction going on back there. And over here at the jungle, they've added this tarp. You know there's a dead body there. They don't want the guests to see it, but they got the little safari hat there. And just kind of give you an idea, the plane is right next to it. So yeah, there's the plane, and there's the tarp with a body we only can imagine, because they don't want the day guests to see it. And over in Zodiac, they added these flags, which I figured that's what they were going to be, along with lighting on the bottom there. But yeah, they have one here going out and one coming in. We have a fog machine, another fog machine, and over in the Sagittarius, I didn't bother showing the Scorpion because nothing's added new over there, but they added some cannons on either side and a stage. And here's that other banner as you come in. That's Dark Zodiac, and you see it's got Dr. Oddfellow logo on it. And they've added a fog machine and a crate over here at Dr. Oddfellow, and you can see it locks and then it opens up, and it's got the little emeralds on it. There's Dr. Oddfellow. They've added one here and one over there. And here's that other crate, and you see it's got a lock on it and it opens up, and the other one is over there. And I showed this on my last video, but it just dawned on me that this was a dragon. That's what I said in the other video. It pays a little nod to Dueling Dragons. So it's interesting to see how they're going to tie these in with Dr. Oddfellow. In the front of the park, where Dr. Oddfellow is, you see they haven't done anything new here. Of course, they got 2 more weeks. Definitely some kind of actor, and you can see an opening right there where they're going to come out right here. And behind us, they've added some trust. And there's that trust right there. So definitely some kind of stage show right when you come in, Dr. Oddfellow. Well, that's it for another Halloween Horror Night construction update. How exciting. It was a great day. We saw some new props. We saw some new merchandise in the Hallows Eve store at Islands of Adventure. We ran into cool kids. Shout out to them. It was a great day. If you like what you saw, hit that notification button, hit that subscribe button, and please comment below. Until the next video, we'll see you in the fog.